Hello everyone, this video will show you how to use this paper transfer marks. Clear Waterslide decal paper could be used on transparent or light-colored tin, such as glass, crystal cups, etc. In order to finish the test, you will use the following tools: laser printer, laser water decal paper, hair dryer, water, marks. First, printing the Waterslide decal paper. Please remember, the smooth surface is the printing surface. Use the hair dryer to dry the ink or leave it to natural drying. Cut out the paper. The clear decal paper can be used light surface, so it doesn't matter if you leave a little bit of the border when you cut out your design. Next, we need to place it into ordinary temperature water for about 30 to 60 seconds. Do not leave the decal too long, as it will separate from the base paper. You could test it if it's ready to go by just slipping it through your finger, and you will see the decal paper slipping all over the backing. Apply your decal to a clean surface and use a clean cloth or tissue to wipe off excess water while moving air bubbles that may appear. Then, blow him dry with a hair dryer.